Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and in this video it's quite a special video. I'm just going to show you this package that arrived today, and it's from Desenio, and yes, there are some Desenio prints in here, and I'm going to be using these for my home office. And if you haven't checked that video out, please check that video, and I'll probably put links down below after this video so you can see my home office that I created with some dead space that was in my room. So yeah, I decided to get some Desenio prints. I'm excited to show you what I got and the sizes that I've got, and also I will price them down below in that description box. So I'm excited. Let's get these open because I can't wait myself to see them. Okay, so let's open the box and let's see what we've got inside. So we have some paper in here. Let's get all that out. Oh wow, so if you can see, we have the lovely rose gold detailing here, and I love the thickness of these frames. So these two are my little small ones here, and the prints are going to be in here, so I'll have to get that open in a moment. And this is my larger frame here, so I think you know what it's going to look like. They're just going to be these smaller ones on the side. So okay, the main one, let's have a look at my prints. So in here are the prints. Okay, whoa. So this is one of the prints, and it's beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. So I love that quote, and it's in the lovely nice pink shade there, and I love this picture. It's a very delicate okay, so I've just noticed that I have two of these that are identical, and I have the one small quote, which is an error because this on my phone, if you can see, is my order. So that was one of these, as you can see, and then I had the quote, and I also had a small Paris perfume, which is in the same size as the quote. So yes, an error has been made on their part, so I need to contact Desenio and get that sorted out. But we won't delay this video. What I will do is I will put the quotes into their frames. I will put them up in the office, and when the correction has been solved, when the problem's been solved and I get my perfume print delivered, I will show you that update in the video when I receive it. So we'll continue as if the order's okay. We'll start with the large print and this print, and we'll put them in the frames, and yeah, we'll do that. And I'll just put this one blank for the moment. So that's what we'll do. Okay, so let's open the rest of the frames. Need a scissors for this. There we go. It's a little bit disappointing because I was so excited to see the finishing touch. I'd been waiting because of the situation at the moment with the virus, and obviously it's been taking a long time to receive this order. So I have been waiting a while, so that's why I was so excited. But yeah, it's a little bit disappointing, but we will just continue and see what it all looks like at the end. So you just bounce these down like this, and they just clip off. And then we'll take this out. And just remember to remove the film here because it's actually got some protection. So Okie dokie, so I'm going to get my lovely print here. Turn this around and place this in, making sure it's all correct. There we go. So that's what it will look like with the frame. I'm really happy with that. So what we'll do is we'll place these back in. So it's just a question of putting it in there, bouncing it. Let's give it a squeeze and it will just go into place. This is a really great idea because you don't really have to struggle with these too much. And also I love the fact that you can hang it any which way you want. So obviously I'll be hanging mine that way. So yeah, so that's first frame done, and that was with little effort. So I'm really happy with that. Let's do the larger one now. Just move that to one side. Okay, so taking all of that out, and then again with the same, just push them down and they'll just pop out. And they have so many different prints, so you can check the website out. I'll link the website down below. If you're interested, and you can see for yourself all of the different quotes, all of the different prints that they have. So peel this off here. And on the other side as well. So lovely. So my prints, these flowers are going to go in with this at the back, and then we'll place it into the frame. I'm going to be putting these back, and again just push them in. So one here, one there, one there, don't know how I've got a spare one. I'll just put that one there as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the print. There we go. So it's such a pity that this one hasn't come in, but you can imagine what that would look like. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. So I'm back maybe a week or two later, and I did, if you don't remember, I did say that one of the prints was incorrect, and they didn't give me the print that I asked for. So I did say that I was going to contact them, and I did. There is an email that you can contact Desenio on. Because of the coronavirus, it's very difficult to get hold of them. So I sent them an email, told them that the order was incorrect, gave them my order number, told them that I didn't receive the print, but I received the frame. So they kindly emailed me back and said that they apologized for the inconvenience, and they were sorry to hear that I didn't get the print that I asked for. So they sent me the print. They also said in the email that they were going to send me a additional print as well for compensation. So hopefully it's in here, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. So let's open this. Got the frame here. Happy to be putting the print in and finishing the final touch to my office finally. So let's do that. But very kind and of Desenio to do that, and very promptly as well. So thank you to Desenio. So yeah, I can recommend Desenio because when you do email them with your fault, they do get back to you quickly and respond quickly. And let's get this open. I love all the Desenio cases. They are really nice. They gave me the other ones, as you saw, in a nice black folder. So here's a nice cylinder shape. Okay, so and a nice big thank you from Desenio there. So I'm just going to open it, taking this off very gently. Oh, they have given me such a beautiful, beautiful print. I can't tell you. It would just go perfect with my settings. I really like that soft, beautiful print. I'm really happy. So that's made me happy, the print there that I've got. I think, oh, that is the print. Oh, here we go. This is my little bottle. This is the print that I was after. So yeah, so this is the Paris Perfume print, and I think it's going to look really, really glamorous in this nice rose gold frame to suit my office. If you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely put a link after this video. Please check out my office and how I created it, because there's some really good products in there as well. They're coming a part 2 and a part 1 and part 2 video. And yeah, so this is just to complement my office. So I'm going to frame this now, and I'm so shocked about my print, to tell you the truth. I'm really happy with it. So these just clip off by pushing them in, or no, pushing them down, sorry. So if you push these down, I've forgotten already a week ago what I did. So if you push these down, they just unclip. Really easy to do. Okay, so remembering that this has to be peeled off. Lovely. So that goes in first. And then here's my print. And then here is the backing. And then I'm just going to be placing my hooks again. Really great hooks that you can actually put them any way, so you can hang them any way you want. So really easy to do. Definitely will be going back to Desenio. I might even get a rose gold print to frame, sorry, for that print as well, and hang that up somewhere else in the home. But let's check this out. There you go. So there it is in the frame, and I think that looks really nice in the rose gold. I am very happy with it. I'll hang that in my office and I'll show you that later. But yeah, I am really happy, and thank you Desenio for that prompt service and delivering exactly what I wanted. So as you can see, there's the final Desenio print in its place. I'm really, really happy now because I have the full set exactly how I wanted it. So there you go. So I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video. If you are new, then a very big welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for some more fabulous ideas. If you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit on that notification so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care and stay safe.